Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name of Oketayo Cholijo. So today I'll be showing you how to use PowerPoint. Majorly you use it in making presentations. So firstly, let's start by opening PowerPoint. So this is what it brings. We have here a slide where we can put in title and maybe some subtitle. But then I don't want to use this type of slide. There are several kinds of slides you can select from. So these are the different types of slide layout. So for this case, I'll use title and content. Title and content. So here we have just one slide. Maybe we can also add more slides. Maybe we make some 7 slides. Then we start making the presentation. I think we are good to go. So we shall start all the way from slide 1. So today my presentation will be on computers. Computer. That was the title. Maybe I can also include my personal details. Like for example, the school name, which is Gulu University. I can also include my name. Maybe some bit of student number as well. So that is our first slide. Let's go to the second slide. The second slide is where we shall put our presentation outline. So for this case, maybe we type in presentation outline. So what is our outline? We shall look at definition of computer. That will be now in the third slide. was presentation out. Okay, in this slide, actually, you'll be guiding or showing what each and every slide would be containing. Like for this case, our first slide was on computer. Just computer. Then the second one is this presentation outline itself. So that is what is on our second slide, the current slide we are in. Then maybe for the third one now, we can place computer meaning or definition. Definition of computer. Maybe we look at some bit of types of computer. Those are just 4 slides, remaining 3 slides. So in the 5th slide, we shall present maybe the characteristics of modern computer. Modern computers. So those are just 5 slides, remaining 2. Maybe we look at also some bit of limitations. Limitations of computers. And lastly, we look at the significance of learning computing. So, like I said initially, Presentation outline simply shows each and every information that will be contained in each slide you have created within your presentation. So this is found on the second slide. Now let's go to the third slide. Since within our presentation outline we have definition as being the third one, and it will appear on the third slide. So here maybe we say computer meaning or definition of computer. Definition of computer, where we shall just be brief with the definition. So it's an electronic device, just say electronic device that accept user input. So it accepts the user input, maybe, and also process and before processing, okay, let's proceed with it. It will process start temporarily temporary and output information processed through specific instruction in a desired form. So that's briefly on definition of computer. It's an electronic device, that accepts user input, process, store temporarily, and output information processed through specific information in a desired form. So that's found on our third slide. So let's move to the fourth slide, where we shall maybe talk briefly on types of computer. Types of computer. So majorly we have two types of computers. That is the desktop computer as well as the laptop computer. Yeah. So those are the computer types. Move to the fifth slide, where we shall put in some characteristics of modern computer. So that is our fifth slide. So here we just say characteristics of modern computers. So here they have flash storage, So those are the characteristics. So the sixth slide will be having the limitations of modern computers. So here we have limitations. Limitations of modern computers. So those are the limitations of modern computer. Maybe we can also look at the significance of learning computer. In our last slide, the seventh slide. So that is limitations. Yeah. Significance, sorry, should have been significance. Significance of learning computer. Yeah. Need to pass exams. So those are the few significances of learning computer. So now we can design our slides. Maybe we can start from the first slide. So these are the designs of the background. For this case, I'm choosing that one. Then we also applying some transition effects. Transition effects is common when we are showing the slides in sequences, like when you're moving from one slide to another. So let's see from here. So that is one of the transitions. Transition is either visual or in form of sound. I think this one is much better. This is split. This is reveal, random bars, shape, and cover, and here are very many varieties of forms of transitions you can make. Maybe we go with that one, random bar. Then we apply some transition sound. I think the drum roll is better. Choose that. So we set the duration for the sound as well. You can make it last for some durations. So we say apply to all. So these are our slides, and we have used so far the design, transitions. Maybe we apply some bit of animation as well. Animations, these are pre-designed. Could be figures, could be symbols, like here are some. We can also insert some some pictures. You can either get it from online, from the internet, or you can select from here. So this is our symbol we have inserted. So colleagues, this is how the presentation looks like in a PowerPoint. So this presentation you have created, you can also save it in your computer. Like here, you tap on File, then Save As. For this case, we shall save in this PC. Then maybe we choose the folders to which we want it to be saved. And we can also edit our title as well, but let's leave it. Okay, we can edit. Well, you just say PowerPoint presentation. On computer. Then save as type is always in the form of 9/7/2003. Yeah, I'll repeat it again. It makes your work to be opened in any device you will share your work with. So you click on it once, then you just say save. Click on save. So this is briefly on how to create some presentations on PowerPoint. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, as I'll be also preparing more skills to deliver to you in my next video. Thank you.